Group 4 Snow Camping Segment 10, how to set up your bed. First of all, you're going to be down in your snow trench that you dug or a snow cave, and you're going to put down a poncho or some other thin protection on the ground. You then put your closed cell foam pad down. Now, what is a closed cell foam pad? It is the foam pads that are kind of stiffer, not the super squishy one that looked like a sponge, but these stiffer ones. You need one of these. This brand is called Ridge Rest. It has a bunch of ridges on it. The old-fashioned kind is just the very simple black or blue ones that are called Insulite pads. So either one would do, but you need two things. So your closed cell pad plus, say, your Thermarest, or two closed cell pads. Next goes your sleeping bag. Now, if you have a winter bag, this one is a winter bag because its ratings are down to 0. It's thicker and much warmer, obviously, than your typical 3-season bag. If you have this, you're good. If you only have a 3-season bag, then there's things that you can do to increase its warmth and be able to use it in the snow. Now, there are different types of liners that you could use. One could just use a fleece blanket and wrap yourself in it inside your sleeping bag. They also sell fleece liners like so that are shaped like a sleeping bag that you would stick inside your 3-season bag. There are some thinner liners like this one that are really more for use in 3 seasons. This wouldn't be quite warm enough to take your 3-season bag down to being useful in a winter setting. So you would need a thicker fleece type blanket or liner for your 3-season bag. Then you take off all of those thick things, those ski pants, the booties, the jacket. You can use the beanie that you hiked in, a thinner beanie, over your head, as well as your balaclava. You can use your balaclava, and you could put on your liner gloves if you need to. You can have those things kind of coming on and off as needed. You could sleep with your wool sweater on, or you could take it off. The objective is to not have to have those extra layers because you would probably get too sweaty, but if needed, you could put those on. And you could have your liner socks on, or you could put your wool socks on, depending on how warm you are at the time. So, have a good night.